In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PiP to Chrome. Picture-in-Picture, or PiP, lets you pop a video out into a small floating window that stays on top of everything else. That means you can keep watching while you write emails, browse other sites, or take notes without losing track of your video. The window is movable and resizable, so you can tuck it neatly in a corner or make it larger when you need to see more detail. The easiest and most reliable way to add PiP to Google Chrome is by installing a dedicated extension from the Chrome Web Store. Extensions provide a clear, consistent PiP button that works across most video sites, saving you time and clicks. Start by opening Chrome and heading to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Picture-in-Picture. You'll see several options. Popular choices include Picture-in-Picture, PiP View, and PiP Picture-in-Picture. Any reputable PiP extension with good ratings will do the job. Click the one you want, then select Add to Chrome. Chrome will ask you to confirm, so click Add Extension. In a moment, the extension will be installed and ready. To use it, go to any website with a video and start playing it. While the video is playing, click the extension's icon in your Chrome toolbar to activate Picture-in-Picture. If you don't see the icon right away, click the small puzzle piece in the toolbar to open your extensions menu, then choose the PiP extension from there. As soon as you activate it, the video will pop out into a small floating window. You can drag this window anywhere on your screen, and you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. The best part is that it stays on top of other windows, so you can continue working without the video getting buried. Playback controls may appear on the mini window or remain on the original page, depending on the extension. Keep the original tab open. That's where the video is coming from. If the window doesn't appear, make sure the video is actually playing, then try clicking the extension again or refresh the page. Some sites may briefly block overlays, but most standard players work well with PiP extensions. That's all there is to it. Install a PiP extension from the Chrome Web Store, confirm it, then click the extension while your video is playing to pop it out. Enjoy multitasking with a floating, always-on-top video that you can move and resize to fit your workflow.